Roses on a Sunday afternoon, a copy of the New York Times. Roses on a rainy Sunday afternoon, and I'm feeling fine. Champagne in paper cups, and maybe a funny cigarette or two. This is a staying day, and I'm gonna be staying here inside of you, saying, open up the drapes, we can watch it rain. Won't you pour me some more of that champagne? I'm feeling a case of strong deja vu. The telephone is off the hook, 'cause today is a lazy day. I wonder, want to talk to me, 'cause I'm gonna be talking to you anyway, saying, we could take the car, but we'd lose the space. We could build a fire if we had a place. I'm trying to build a strong case for you, 'cause I love you, darling, like I never thought I could. And I love you, darling, and I never knew it could be this good. Roses on a Sunday afternoon, a copy of the New York Times. Arts and leisure. Roses on a rainy Sunday afternoon, and I'm feeling fine. And maybe it's the cigarette smoke, and maybe it's the champagne too, but something has made me dizzy on this, my very first Sunday with you. La 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 la.